Hello students, now continue the chapter exponents and powers. This is the other part of that which is in your book. So in this we will be studying number 1, standard form. Standard form, and number 2, usual form. Now, how to use the exponents? See, how to use the exponents to express small numbers in standard form. Is it clear? Now see, for example, I'm saying a large number. Large number is what? I'm just giving an example to you. Suppose 180 and another 30 and another 30 and another 30. This much meter. Suppose an example I have given you. This one, if you want to write in standard form, so what we can write? 1.8 and into 10 to the power. How many zeros are there? 3, 3, 6, 3, 9 and 1 10 and 1 11, right? So it is 1.8 10 to the power 11. That much meter. So this is the standard form. This was the usual form like that. Suppose very small number if I am giving you. A small number, suppose 0.0000009, right? It will be what? You see, how you remove the decimal? You write here 9 upon, after the decimal point, how many the digits are there up till here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here, in place of decimal, you write 1. And after the 6 digits are there, so write 6, 0, 2, 4, 6. This one, so you can write here 9 upon 10 to the power 6. This one in standard form, small number I have given you example. I have given a large number also examination now. Now, suppose one example again. Suppose thickness of a paper. Of a paper that we use, right, is equals to 0.0015 centimeter, right? How will you write this one? You will write here, see, after decimal 2 to 4, right? 4 is there, so we can write here 15 upon 1 and 40, right? Or you can write here 1.5 into 10 upon 10 to the power 4. So it will be what? It will be 1.5. 1 point means after the 1 digit, 1 decimal should be there. That is, you have to keep in your mind. Into 10 to the power minus 4, right? So this will be, again you can write afterwards, right, 1.5 and into 10 to the power minus 3, as because here 110 is there, power is 1, so we add to 1 and minus 4, it will be minus 3. Is it clear? That much centimeter. Now, again Now we are going to comparing the very large number and the small number. Now comparing very large number and small number. Right? See, one again example, and suppose distance between sun and earth is equals to 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Right? Now another example I am writing here. Now distance between earth and moon. Earth and moon. Right? What will be? Suppose 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meter. These are the two distance between sun and earth and moon. Right? So distance between sun and moon will be what? Distance between sun and moon. What will be the distance between sun and moon? We can write here 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 minus 3.84 into 10 to the power 8. Right? Now in this 10 to the power 8 here 10 to the power 11 means we can take common 10 to the power 8. Means this belongs to this one also and in this also. So what is left here? 1.496 into 10 to the power 3 because 10 already 10 to the power 8 we have taken common and minus here what is left here? 3.84. Right? Now look at here. Next step you write 10 to the power 8. Now here what you can write here? You can write 1.496 into 1000 and if you remove this decimal from here, so what will be right? 1 and 30 because after the decimal 3 digits are there. Minus 3.84. Right? Now again 10 to the power 8. This one when you shall see that this 1, 2, 3, 0 has been cancelled. So what is left in a bracket? 1.496 minus 3.84. Is it clear? This much meter. All over the meter is coming there. Now 10 to the power 8. Now if you subtract here, what will be there? It will be 10 to the power 8 into 1492.16. That much meter because I have subtracted from here to here this one I have, right? And then it is here point already this is 1496 this one, so 1 point this much is left there. This much meter is the answer is there, right? Now some problems I'll be solving again. You see what are some problems are there? See, problem means your numericals, your exercises, whatever is there. Number one, express in standard form. In standard form. On the top, what you have seen, I have given you standard form means what? When number is there after one digit, that some numbers are written and powers of 10 in that form. So here, see, I am writing here 1, 0.00000, suppose 5 zeros and 3 8, right? This one, how can you write in standard form? See that what I said, this decimal should come after this 3, right? So it will be 3.8 into, now this is going on the right hand side, here to here, here to here, here, all one after the, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be 10 to the power minus 6. As because it is going right hand side. Okay, na? Similar way, the other one I'm giving you, right? Suppose 607 and suppose 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. This one, if you want to write in this standard form, what will be there? It will be 6.07 into, now what is there? It has come here. After that, here to 10 to the power, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, to it will be power will be 6. Now you have seen what power has come, right? Now, number 2, express in usual form. Express in usual form means if the number is given in standard form, convert into the usual form. Number 1 example I am giving, 4.5 into 10 to the power 4 equals to what we can write? 4.5 into 10 to the power 4 means what? 1 and 4 0. Is it very clear for you, all of you? Now it is what? 4, 5 and again 4 zeros. And here after decimal 1 digit was there, so we will put the decimal here. So it will be what? 4, 5 and 000. This will be there. Number 2 I am giving you another with the negative one. 3.02 into 10 to the power minus 6 I have given you. So first this minus 6 you convert into the positive. How will you convert? 3.02 upon 10 to the power 6. As you know, when any number comes from numerator to denominator, sign changes the power, right? And it will be 3.02, and here what we can write? 1 and 6 0, 4, 5, 6. 1 and 6 0, and that equals to 0.0000302. Why I have written this one? Because here the decimal will be counting from here. The 1 is there 3, then right 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 6 zeros has come up. Is it very clear? Now third example also you see. It is suppose 3 into 10 to the power minus 8. Similar way you please try. It is what? 3 upon 10 to the power 8. Very simple this one. This is what? Again 3 upon, and here 8 0. 2, 4, 6, 8. Now what will be? First you write here 3. 3 you write down, and you have to count how many number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 already is there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and put a point. So see how many zeros has come? 3 and 3, 6. 3 and 3, 6 and 2, 8. So this could be the answer. So now you have understood how to express the usual form to standard form and standard form to usual form. That's all right? Okay, thank you.